Today in this video we are going to cover one paper MCQs. Let's start. Life of Control LOC was made in 1972. Shimla Pact was signed on 3 July 1972. Length of line of control is 720. Karachi Steel Mill established in 1973 with the cooperation of Russia. Sir Zulfikar Ali Khan remained the President of International Court of Justice from 1970 to 1973. First OIC summit was held in Rabat, in Morocco in 1969. The second OIC summit was held in Lahore, Pakistan in 1974. The third OIC summit was held in Makkah, Taif in Saudi Arabia in 1981. Pakistan became the chairman of OIC in 1974. Hudud Ordinance introduced in 1977. Nizam-e-Mustafa movement was carried in 1977. On December 10, 1979, Dr. Abdus Salam was awarded with the Nobel Prize in Physics. Pakistan became member of NAM in 1979. Islamic Audiology Council was formed in 1979. Zakat system was introduced in Pakistan in 1980. Islamabad was declared district in 1980. Zakat and Usher Ordinance was in force in Pakistan on 20th June 1980. MQM formed in 1986 in Sindh. Pakistan People Parties won elections in 1988. Jinnah Pact or Accord was signed between Pakistan and Afghanistan for the withdrawal of USSR troops on 14th April 1988. Saul Haq was died in plane crash on 17th August 1988. First space satellite was Warda Badr launched by Pakistan on 16 July 1990. Jinnah Research Center established in Antarctica on 25th January 1991. Jinnah Research Center is located in Queen Mount Land, Eastern Antarctica. Water Accord among the provinces signed in 1991. Pakistan won Cricket World Cup in 1992. World Trade Organization established on 1st January 1995. Pakistan became member of WTO on 1st January 1995. Operation Midnight Jackal launched in 1996. Nuclear explosion in Chagi, Balochistan were practiced on 28th May 1998. Pervez Musharraf became Chief of Army Staff on 7th October 1998. Fifth census in Pakistan took place in 1998. Kargil War took place in 1999. Last Nishan-e-Haider was awarded on 15th July 1999. Osama bin Laden was killed in Abbottabad on 2nd May 2011. Pakistan wins Asian Champions Trophy on 11 November 2013. Malala received Peace Nobel Prize on 10th of October 2014. Zarb-e-Azab operation started on 15th June 2014. Pakistan joined SCO on 9 June 2017. There are 7 rivers in Balochistan. Jhelum is the smallest city of Pakistan. Chagi is the biggest district area-wise in Pakistan. Largest district of Pakistan by population is Karachi. Largest district of Punjab by area is Bahawalpur. Smallest district of Pakistan by area is Torgarh. Largest division of Pakistan is Kalat. Smallest division of Pakistan is Karachi. There are 154 districts in Pakistan. Districts in Sindh 30, districts in Punjab are 36, districts in KPK are 34, districts in Balochistan are 33, districts in Gilgit-Baltistan are 10, districts in Azad Kashmir are 10, Islamabad itself is a district. There are total 36 divisions in Pakistan. Divisions in Sindh are 7, divisions in Punjab are 9, divisions in KPK are 7, divisions in Balochistan are 7, divisions in Azad Kashmir are 3, divisions in Gilgit-Baltistan are 3. Largest division of Sindh is Tharparkar. Largest division of KPK is Malakand. Largest division of Balochistan is Kalat. Largest division of Punjab is Bahawalpur. Kailash Valley is the smallest valley of Pakistan. Book Loyal Muhammadans is by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan brought up Digest Tehzeeb-ul-Akhlaq in 1817. Pakistan-Afghanistan border has 2,252 km, 13 miles means. Nishan-e-Pakistan is the first highest civil award of Pakistan. Hilal-e-Imtiaz is the second highest civil award of Pakistan. Sitare Imtiaz is the third highest civil award of Pakistan. Nishani Haider is the first highest military award of Pakistan? Hilal-e-Jurrat is the second highest military award of Pakistan. Sitare-e-Jurrat is the third highest military award of Pakistan. Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan is the first women governor of Pakistan. Second Prime Minister of Pakistan is Khwaja Nizamuddin. Wakhan connects Afghanistan and Pakistan. Muhammad Zafrullah Khan is the first foreign minister of Pakistan. Sindh must be separated from Bombay was demanded in Qaid 14th points. Iskandar Mirza was the president during first constitution. Pakistan has fought 4 wars. First Kashmiri War with India, 27 October 1947. Second Indo-Pak War, 23 September 1965. Pakistan celebrated Defence Day from 1966. Third War at the time of separation of East Pakistan, 16 December 1971. Fourth Kargil War was on 3rd May 1999. First Pakistani aspirant in 2009. Members of the first Constitution Assembly were 69. First Constitution of Pakistan was given by Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. First Constitution of Pakistan enforced on 23rd March 1956. First Constitution remained for 2 years. In first Constitution, post of Governor General was converted into President. Therefore, the last Governor General Iskandar Mirza became the first President of Pakistan. First Constitution has 234 articles, 13 parts and 6 schedules. First Constitution has unicameral system. First Constitution has direct election system. First Constitution had parliamentary form of government. Urdu and Bengali were national languages in the first constitution. After 9 years, Pakistan made her first constitution. Iskandar Mirza abrogated the first constitution of Pakistan on 7th October 1958 and country remained 3 years and 8 months without constitution. Second constitution of Pakistan was prepared by Ayub Khan. Second constitution was enforced on 8 June 1962. Second constitution of Pakistan has 250 articles, 12 parts and 3 schedules. Second constitution has unicameral system. Second constitution has direct election system. Second constitution had presidential form of government. Urdu and Bengali were national languages in second constitution of Pakistan. By Article 226, Field Marshal Ayub became the first elected president of Pakistan. The second constitution is famous for one-man show. Second constitution remained for 7 years. General Muhammad Ayub Khan resigned on 25th March 1969. Second constitution was abrogated by General Yahya Khan in March 1969. Third constitution of Pakistan was given by Zia Ali Bhutto. Third constitution of Pakistan was enforced on 14th August 1973. Third constitution of Pakistan has 280 articles, 7 parts and 5 schedules. Third constitution has bicameral system. Third constitution has indirect election system. Third constitution of Pakistan has parliamentary form of government. Third constitution of Pakistan is still running. After 18th amendment in the constitution, NWFP changed to KPK. FATA joined Pakistan according to the 25th article of the third constitution. Mishkat is the book of Hadith. Author of the book Causes of Indian Revolt is Sir Syed Ahmad Khan.